Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some roasted vegetables. Great thing about roasted vegetables, they can be served cold as a cold salad, or they can be served hot as a side dish. Great for vegetarians and vegans, tastes yummy, really nutritious, so really good for you. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and definitely leave your comments down below. Let's jump right in. So the vegetables I'm going to be roasting today, I have red, yellow, and green pepper. There's some green down here. You may not see it, but it is down there, hiding. I have some broccoli. I have some red onions. I have some yellow squash, some green squash. Seasonings, I have salt, pepper, paprika, granulated garlic, and fresh basil. You can put thyme, either fresh or dried. You can put really whatever you like in there. It doesn't make too much of a difference. It won't affect the flavor too much, but whatever you like. Anyway, so the different vegetables have different cooking times. The broccoli, which I'm gonna put in a bowl, the onions and the peppers are all relatively similar, so I'm gonna roast those together just to make my life a little easier. So I have a couple tablespoons of olive oil. I'll put the recipe in the description down below. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my seasoning mix, probably about 3/4 of it. We'll mix it up. The reason why I'm doing it this way as opposed to just dumping it in here, what happens is if it's a dry ingredient, it gets caught in the broccoli florets and it's very, very hard to mix through. This way, when it's mixed into the oil, it gets distributed quite evenly, very easily. So that's actually very important. If you're making a very, very large quantity, as a caterer, I make 30, 40 pounds of this at a time. I actually roast everything separately. Like I'll put the broccoli in one sheet pan, I'll put the peppers on another. Because this is a house, this should be fine. The cooking times are relatively similar. So this is all mixed up nicely. I'm gonna put this out flat on my sheet pan. You notice I put some parchment paper down. You don't have to have parchment paper, but it makes your cleanup a lot easier. And being that I don't really enjoy washing dishes, you know, it makes my life easier. So I do recommend you do the same. Just put this flat. And then we're gonna do the other vegetables. This is gonna go inside here. I have another tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. The rest of my seasoning mix. To mix that up. Now I do always taste a vegetable, make sure it's seasoned correctly. Most important things are salt, pepper, and garlic. Once it's mixed, I'll take just a small piece. You can eat zucchini and yellow squash raw. Perfect. So put it on a sheet pan, same way. And make sure it's nice and flat. I'm gonna stick this in a 375-degree oven, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. See you shortly. So my zucchini and yellow squash just came out of the oven. It's tender, but not too soft. My other vegetables are still in. I will show you what they look like when they come out. Thank you. Our mixed vegetables just came out of the oven. What are ways that you can tell they're done? I mean, obviously besides for tasting them. If you look at the broccoli, it's starting to turn brown a little bit. But also, if you look at the green pepper, it's starting to change colors. The red peppers are getting a little bit duller. So that means it's cooked. By all means, you can taste it. I'm gonna cool this down a little bit. I'm gonna mix it all up and show you what it looks like. See you soon. So our vegetables are a little bit cooler. I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna put it in a bowl, mix it up. Now, as a caterer, I am always cooking in advance. So I'm used to cooling things down, cooking them just right so they're not overcooked, hopefully. And then, you know, preparing it as I would, and then serve it however I need to serve it. So once this is mixed up, as I had said in the beginning, this can be served as either a cold salad, which looks very, very nice, or you can warm it up in the oven, just put it inside a pan. If it's a relatively thin layer, you don't have to cover it. It'll heat in literally 10 or 15 minutes. If it's a fatter layer, then you have to cover it. Ideally, a thinner layer, heat for just 10, 12 minutes, and you'll have a beautiful roasted vegetable salad. So, I'm gonna put this in a bowl so you can see what it looks like. Flavors are really, really nice. It's a beautiful salad just because of the colors. To me, one of the most beautiful things on earth are the color of fresh vegetables. So I put our roasted vegetables in a bowl. Right now these are cold, but when I serve them later, I might by all means heat them up. I'm gonna just try one now because I always like to try my stuff. See how we did. Not to make a mess like I just did. Really good. Really nice crunch to it. Perfectly cooked. So, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Please leave your comments below. Be well.